most important one is this dash camera. It works very well. It records everything in front of the car. You can see like whatever video you can lock it, unlock it, pause it, and watch whatever that has been recorded. See, I'll click on this night vision. Let's play. See, it has recorded everything. It's easy to use. You can there is a memory card inside it. You can take out the memory card and copy it to your laptop or anything, or there is an inbuilt Wi-Fi option, and there is an app which you can install from Play Store or App Store and download the videos directly. I'll show you the Wi-Fi option. I have to go back. There's a particular button here on this side. Sorry, yeah, the Wi-Fi button, this one. Click on that. The Wi-Fi connects, and in your phone you have to connect to the Wi-Fi. That's it. Then you can share. Supply of power to the dash camera through this 12-volt charging socket, and I have called an mechanic who has fitted it through inside this board. It comes directly out here and goes and gives the power supply to the dash camera. And on the upper side you will be getting a link to see how the installation of the complete process is being done. You can watch it to see the installation. And right now we're watching which has been shot in the dark. I mean, it's at night. It's very clear, you can see it, and I'll put some daytime videos. You can watch it now. Please subscribe to my channel.